Hi y'all, this is Gina here. Welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas to everyone. I have been so busy that I'm running late on packages, and I have been very, very busy. Aren't we all? I have received my recipe swap with Donna, Dreams Times 3. That's hard for me to say. Donna Dreams Times 3. It is. But I had already opened it the other day and I seen it. And I had mailed her the postage money and she said, "Thank you." And she said, my sweetest Gina, thank you so much for joining our monthly swaps. You are a true blessing. The postage is on me this month. Here is your money back. Thank you so much. Big, big hugs, Donna. That is very nice. Well, that was sweet. And I got the chicken and broccoli braid. And I haven't really looked at them. So let's see what we got here. Ooh. I haven't even opened these. So this is coming from Kimberly Cochran. Hey girl, what are you doing? I got yours. And her YouTube is Kimberly Cochran. Her Instagram is Kim Mandroli. And her birthday's November the 27th. Happy belated birthday, Kim. And her favorite colors are black, white, and red. Ooh, those are pretty colors. Craft style is clean and functional. Loves pockets, envelopes, and coffee. Okay, Kimberly, yes. Like I said, I haven't opened them. I opened it, but I haven't really looked at it. And this is zucchini tomato soup. Serves 4. Dang, that sounds good. Because it's got chopped onions and garlic cloves and zucchini, potatoes, chicken stock, tomatoes. Ooh, buttermilk, basil, and salt and pepper to taste. That sounds good. Thank you, Kimberly. And she also gave me another recipe for the chicken broccoli braid. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, she's using a crescent rolls. Okay. Because I said, ooh, she's going to got to make bread again. Mmm. Sugar and spice. I like her paper. I have this. I have this one. Oh, Kimberly, that is so cute of her. Look at the mittens. Aren't they darling? They're Eva mittens, y'all. And the little... Oh, isn't this sweet of her? The candy canes and some little jewels. And she hot glued a little wooden snowflake in there. Thank you, Kimberly. Miss Kim, that is so sweet of her. Adding some little die cuts to that recipe. That is cute. And let me put this back. I like her envelope. Look at that. So let's put that to the side. And this one's coming from the Kitchen of Joy Crosby. Oh, sugar cookies. They did say on the website, I think it was on Instagram, stating her sugar cookies are the best. You know, I made cookies and stuff. She printed hers. And caramel, ooh, chocolate caramel brownies. I've got to try these because caramels is one of my faves. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to try both of these. Thank you, Miss Joy, for sharing your recipes. You know, yeah, he's got to put these in my cookbooks. You know, I used to be in the, yeah, the kids always have that selling magazines, and I was in all recipes, and every month I got one. I have this die. I love it. It's fun. What happened here? Oh, I don't know. Oh. I like her bag topper. I got some little presents, y'all. That bag topper, darling. Look at that. I got me some jewels. Little bell. Where do y'all find these? Gerald saying hello, y'all. These are so cute. Where do y'all find these? I really think these are cute. The little cookie cutters. Well, and the little snowflake. I can't pick it up because of my fingers. The little gingerbread. This recipe is coming from Sally Hendricks. And this is biscuit skillet spinach dip. That sounds pretty interesting. And pecan pralines. I wanted this recipe and I have finally got it because my honey loves these. And I just didn't know how to make these, so I always just buy them. And tomato soup. Yes, ooh, I love her recipe cards. Thank you, Sally. And I love your little trinkets. Yes. And I'm never going to get that back in that bag, but I am going to save this bag topper. Most definitely. So there it is on my little swap on our recipes. And I'm going to try these. Definitely going to try these because we rarely go out to eat, y'all. I mean, rarely. And when I say rarely, we only go out to eat when it's my birthday or his birthday and our anniversary. That's it. We don't ever hardly go out. I go out with my friends. That's when I love to go out and eat, y'all. I just love to go out and eat. And the only time I get to do that is when I go out with the girls' night out. And boy, I indulge. Okay, well, that's it for my recipe swaps. And y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay safe and blessings to y'all. Bye.